This video is just for education purpose.
Here you can see the news movement when I place the trade and the news movement and how I get TP. It was around 300 pip. So it's a big capture. I trade news. Hello traders. Here you can see yesterday was NFP. NFP is a big news on Forex market. So you can see I got TP on NFP news. I was on live with this trade on my channel. Just before NFP time, I researched the market and tried to track the possible move and I succeed. So many people asking me how I measure the market and the move for the news, but everyone knows news trading is no one can assume 100% move on the big news events. So this is just a strategy, not a confirmation that the move will happen in our direction. As Forex market is a very technical and uncertain market, so you have to understand the risk, trade with your strategy and risk management as well. So I also played like this. Here you can see just before the news what I analyzed and what was my approach to the market and the psychology behind that. I will share everything in this video, so stick to the video till the end and also join my everyday's live trading session on my channel, No Deposit Trading. Here you can see I go live every day with my trading setups and strategy. Also I shared my trading strategy, trading setups, everything, every update in my Telegram channel as well. You can join my Telegram channel. So let's come to the video. Here you can see I got TP in one candle, one big news candle this is. And before that at the London session I got, here you can see this was a 3-minute strategy. I got TP 5, that means 1:5 ratio, and then I was placed another trade here and I got 1:1, then it reversed, and the day before yesterday also I booked 1:3 profit here. Here you can see, and every day's live I am getting some profits. You can join with me and let's discuss this strategy what I saw. Well, the news market is 100% uncertain. So you just have to play with your risk management, and most of the strategies failed on the news events. So how I predict, how I analyzed, at first I went to the Forex factory and go yesterday. Here you can see the yesterday's NFP news. There was more news, but this is the big event for the Forex. So this is the forecast column. The forecast was 111k and the previous result was 144k. So if the news comes greater than this, then it will be good for USD, or less than this, it will be bad for USD. So I checked here and the forecast was 111k. In the Forex factory, the news forecast was bad for USD. That means the Forex factory says gold will go up. But if you saw the chart, I was confused. So I started to research. Sometimes Forex factories analyze goes correct and sometimes wrong. But in this day, that means yesterday, I was confused about this forecast. In regarding the market chart and technical analysis, market was against this forecast. So I was confused. So that's why I depend fully on chart, not on this forecast. So what I saw on the chart a few days ago, it was a big rally, huge rally, and the market was consolidated here a while, then breakout and then come again below. After grabbing those liquidity, it's come again but can't go up. So it's come again, and then here you can see after the pullback, market again tried to go up but can't cross the previous high. It's make a higher low here. It was the news day, and then market gradually coming down, and it's tried again but can't break the previous lower high. Then it's come again just before the news, it's showing strong upward movement. So I was confused there. Then here you can see a fair value gap on the 15-minute market close before this gap, and then a big red candle. So I was understand that the market can't go more up. It may gives a very big bearish move. So I was waited here, and again it's showing a strong movement, but in this candle just right before the news, in this candle it rejects from the fair value gap again. If you go to the 5-minute, here you can see it gets a rejection and then a bearish hammer, something like this, and the 5-minute bearish hammer close below this doji candle. So I was confirmed here that market will give a big bearish move. After that might go up or not, this is matter for later, but I can capture this move as this is a big news event. That's why I keep my SL big above this supply zone. You can see I was marked previously this supply zone, and I set 1:2 my risk reward ratio, and immediately I placed the trade here. I placed little bit lower because the news can go straight up from here. If the news candle gives a move a little bit down, then it might go down immediately. So that's why I placed my trade little bit lower here, and I set my target here, and it was a order block zone previously. I marked here it was a order block and also a support zone. That's why I never increased my target. I just stick to my 1:2 rule, and immediately I get my profit in just 2 5-minute candle. You can see here, you can see the news movement when I place the trade and the news movement and how I get TP. It was around 300 pip. So it's a big capture. I trade news. Also I apply 2-3 strategies in my trading and getting very good results, you can see. And also you can get each and every updates of my trading, best deals of the prop firm, even free in my Telegram channel. You can join from my channel. If you search on the YouTube by no deposit trading, or if you type like this no deposit trading, you will get my channel, and you can join my Telegram channel and also daily live for the profitable trading setups and trade together. I replied everyone in my stream chat, so please join with me and make some profit together. Here you can see I explained everything, how I captured this news trade. And if you want to know my regular strategy, here you can get this strategy video I made with each and every detail and the example and live trade and hit the TP in this video. So nothing is hide in my strategy, everything on screen. If you want to learn my Forex trading strategy as well as prop firm trading strategy, you can subscribe my channel, watch my strategies video and prop firm trading journey, how I am making profit. Here I also explained the strategy, how I made $1,116 with my 25k funded challenge with Blue Guardian. So that's it for today. See you in the next video and also on my trading live stream. Till then, bye bye.